Reading, we have the map of India and we have to mark the port, airports, industries, and software technology. So, we have given Visakhapatnam Port, Meenabakkam International Airport in Tamil Nadu, woolen textile industry at Agra in Uttar Pradesh, and software technology park at Mysore in Karnataka. So, to mark here, we have used various symbols. This is the symbol for Visakhapatnam port, and we have marked here that is present in Andhra Pradesh. Second, Minnabakkam International Airport in Tamil Nadu. Here we have given the symbol square for this airport and we have marked here in this area. Third one is woolen textile industry at Agra in Uttar Pradesh. We have marked here. And fourth, software technology park at Mysore in Karnataka. We have given circle and we have marked here software technology. Second map reading. Here are the markings given. Cotton textile industry at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Iron and steel industry at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. Kandla Port in Gujarat. So we have to give various symbols to these marking areas. So first we have given this type of symbol for cotton textile industry at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh and we have marked it by this area. Then second we have given circle for iron and steel industry and we have marked here circle for this industry. Then square we have given it for Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi and we have marked this here. And cross for Kandla Port in Gujarat and this is the cross marked in Gujarat. Now we will look at the similar maps and we will mark these areas. So first area is software technology park at Mysore in Karnataka. Here we have marked it. Second, cotton textile center at Madurai in Tamil Nadu. This one. Then Kandla Port in Gujarat. And last, international airport at Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh. We have marked here. Fourth one, cotton textile industry at Hooghly in West Bengal. So this symbol we will mark here as it is placed in West Bengal. Then circle for Bhadravati iron steel plant in Karnataka. Here is Karnataka and Bhadravati iron steel plant is located in this area. Circle for Bhadravati iron steel plant in Karnataka and we will mark this circle in Karnataka for Bhadravati iron steel plant which is situated in Karnataka. Cross for Kochi port in Kerala. Kochi is placed in Kerala and here we will mark it near the sea as it is placed in Kerala. Then fourth one is triangle Raja Sansai International Airport at Amritsar in Punjab. So we know that Punjab is situated here and so the triangle which is the international airport will be marked here. The easy method is to study all 29 states of India. So it will be easy to mark the international airport, industry, iron steel plants, etc. So if you like this content and you want such more examples and easy methods to learn and know about map reading and geographical question and answers and to know about the geography of India, do like, subscribe and share. So now let us look at the fifth map. So in this, here Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport in Kolkata. So the easy way is to make a box, index box and write what is given in the question. So here we have to write and give whatever symbols you like. So first one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport in Kolkata. So where is Kolkata placed? Kolkata is placed in West Bengal. That is, it is the capital of West Bengal, as you all know. So we will mark the symbol here. Then second is square. So Kochi port in Kerala. Kerala is here, so square will be marked here. Star symbol for Cotton Textile Center at Mumbai in Maharashtra. This is Goa, and above Goa is Maharashtra, and below it is Karnataka. So here in Maharashtra we will mark this area as Cotton Textile Center. Then circle iron and steel plant at Salem in Tamil Nadu. This is on the left side is Kerala, and on the right side it is Tamil Nadu. So we will circle this as iron steel plant at Tamil Nadu. This is the sixth map reading. So first we will form the index. We will write all the points that we have to mark in this India map. So New Mangalore Port in Karnataka, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Maharashtra, Woolian Textile Industry at Bangalore, Baramulla Silk Textile Industry in Jammu and Kashmir, and we will give symbols for this. So first it is situated in Karnataka, so Karnataka is here, and the new Mangalore Airport. So we have given symbol square, we will mark here. Second one is Maharashtra, that is above Goa, and Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport will be here. Next one is woolen textile industry at Bangalore. The symbol here, it is also Bangalore is situated in Karnataka, so the symbol will be also here. And circle for Baramulla silk, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. We know Jammu and Kashmir is here, and Baramulla silk will be situated here. Now star for Software Technology Park at Indore in Madhya Pradesh. This is Madhya Pradesh. And star for the software technology, iron and steel plant at Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. Next to Madhya Pradesh, on the right side is Chhattisgarh. So we have given the symbol circle. Next, Raja Sansai Airport at Amritsar in Punjab. This is Punjab. Then triangle Tuticorin Port in Tamil Nadu. So this is the 8th map reading. Woolen textile industry at Jamnagar in Gujarat. Software Technology Park at Jaipur in Rajasthan. Jawaharlal Nehru Port at Mumbai in Maharashtra. Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. We have solved more than 10 map readings, which have made easy for you all to solve and remember these map readings. So do like and share and subscribe for more such videos. Visakhapatnam Port in Andhra Pradesh, triangle. Raja Sansai Airport at Amritsar in Punjab. Kolkata Software Park in West Bengal. And the last, iron and steel plant at Rourkela in Odisha. Thanks everyone for your support, and ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करती रहना. सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स. बाय.